It's like my gone back at church.
First to the face of the voice, and they don't know say a kogency. But the kogency reacts. And today we have another suspect reaction. Now, bro, uploaded Redemption, and for some reason, some random, I don't know if it's a real song or an AI song or something, bro, but like some song is trying to claim copyright on the suspect video. That's not suspect. I'm like, what the hell? So it's YouTube is currently blocking that upload. So I'm there thinking that my video is uploaded. I'm there checking my YouTube, wondering why I don't see no views, no likes, no rain, not come in, nothing. YouTube blocking it. So I'm gonna do another one. So right now, hopefully this one don't get blocked. So right now we have Taliban featuring Liquor Dotz. You don't know Liquor Dotz locked up right now. You don't know him get catch on the conspiracy for go ride up on Diggles. You understand? So we have two locked up artists on a track right now. I'm not sure about, did they record it? Were in the same prison when they recorded it? Or, Liquor Dotz a theme phone over Wandsworth and suspect a theme phone down a Feltham and you know what I'm saying? But anyway, for all the people who know about the UK prison system, you know what I'm talking about. But hit the like button, jump in the comments, subscribe. We're on the road to 7K. Let's get to 7K and let's up the productivity. You don't know. Peace, positivity, prosperity, protection, production, and boom, boom. You understand? Yeah. Click the links in the description. Check out my new single, Don't Give Up. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And let's jump into the video. Go.
Hey, BV, run that back.
BV, run that back. BV, bacterial vaginosis. Recoil mix it, alright.
He can rap with Biggie, he pack on trying to get a bad boy hit like show. Ding dong ditch, your boy got cooked.
Sorry. The way you started. He can rap with Biggie, he pack. Like the Biggie and Tupac, you know what I'm saying, punchlines, they'd never get old, bro. Especially if Sus go and say it like this.
He can rap with Biggie, he pack on trying to get a bad boy hit like show. Ding dong ditch, your boy got cooked and crucified and nailed to the wood. In the hood, you can't play knockdown ginger, the neighbors ain't no good. He had a good time up in a shop, still gunman shot him out of his books.
Oh my god, yo. R.I.P. to Smokey's music career, bro. But we already know about. What him say? Sweet boy, sorry, bye. Sweet boy try play knockdown ginger, boy should have called up 999. Yeah. Bro, we might need to do some nostalgia reactions and go listen to some Too Smokey again, bro. Cause yeah, I need to get Too Smokey again, bro. Real shit, nigga.
He can rap with Biggie, he pack on trying to get a bad boy hit like show. Ding dong ditch, your boy got cooked and crucified and nailed to the wood. In the hood, you can't play knockdown ginger, the neighbors ain't no good. He had a good time up in a shop, still gunman shot him out of his books. That pack was made in Chelsea, but I got one of these towel. We skinning out jaw like 9 foot, keep going in and out. I ain't trying to talk, let's zing it out, swing it out. Bro, stay blipped, ain't digging up shit, just reach for his hip and fling it out. 999 can't free bang ringing out. Why invite if he ain't trying to blick it out? Don't even wait for a bang, they run from scam, not knowing it jam. Might throw these hands, got everyone know who I am. He could be a upper fan. You better watch your man's, the way he screamed, you would've thought just trans. His stat must be a high.
What? No. What you mean by that? What you mean by that, bro? What the hell you mean by that, suspect? What the hell? What? Nah, what you talking about?
You better watch your man's, the way he screamed, you would've thought just trans. His stat must be a high, he can't buy.
Oh, okay. Cause maybe him scream out like in high pitch, ah! And then I say, yo, is he a trans? Is he a girl? Like, why is he screaming like a bitch? Nigga, bitches, nigga. Sorry.
Watch your man's, the way he screamed, you would've thought just trans. His stat must be a high, he can't buy weed or get a guy and his life get hot, but gang still my hand. My bro would've took your.
Yo, all my Mali niggas in the comments. What is a ga'an? He can't buy weed or get a ga'an? What is that? What is ga'an and all the other words he's about to say next? Because I saw it afterwards. I'm not even going to try and do not translate. No, just tell me in the comments. Well, my Mali niggas, I'm still on my Mali shit, man. Splash time, Webster and Harvey nicks. Enough times my dog get nicked. See blue lights and my heartbeat skips. I could turn a man target quick. Like my man, like I rust my spliff. Yeah, big up all my Mali niggas. But yeah, let me know all these translations in the comments, please.
High, you can't buy weed or get and this life get hot, but gang still my hand. My bro would've cooked your dinner back then, but now he made drinks off a Dan. My cashmere hat got Cali and he got good curry from Pakistan. No streets one time, my tea or rap this scarf and go Taliban to Camden Town to Afghanistan. That ball got scored in Chelsea, we brought the trophy back to the ends. 2 apps got put in my zoot, then put in a suit. Rest up them, couldn't find laces to put in these brand new trainers. Girlfriend locking my skeng. I heard his brethren was fucking his mum. Now he's online talking about bets. They don't want about Babs or Diligent. Name brands we ain't packing.
No, bro. No. There's one person from their rival set, Cherish God More, that is known for betting. The man even get a betting company tattooed on him. So there's only one person that Little Dotz could be talking about right now. No. But I don't know. No. What about you? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't want to speculate. No speculation in the nation. But there's only one person from the other side that talk about bets. So you tell me, so the man them first it was Horrid One's nan. Now it's his mom. Bro, stop, bro. Stop. I refuse to believe that the members of his family are actually out here on these types of crud. I refuse to believe his nan was a nitty, and I refuse to believe that his mom was letting one of the man them get all up inside there. What? Bro, I don't even want to think about that, bro. I don't even want to think about that.
In Chelsea, we brought the trophy back to the ends. 2 apps got put in my zoot, then put in a suit. Rest up them, couldn't find laces to put in these brand new trainers. Girlfriend locking my skeng. I heard his brethren was fucking his mum. Now he's online talking about bets. They don't want about Babs or Diligent. Name brands we ain't packing no innocence. It wasn't Corona, masked up militant. Jump out, flinging it, drilling it, swinging it. Stay on your fitness runs, you batty boy. 9 Luger's tearing out ligaments. He got burst, then he got burst. Now they hurt, go pour out liquor then. We turn the war up 100 degrees. HRB to the AGB. Like bro, they say we too active. NCA say we too smoky. Feel like Rico when I'm on the big back trying to put holes in the Kermits.
See, bro, I already mentioned Too Smoky at the start of this. I mentioned Too Smoky. It's in the universe, bro. Universal connection, connectivity, connexione. Bro, I'm connected to the ether, bro, to the universe. Watch, you just saw it. Look how much time that happened when we do this. Look how much time.
We turn the war up 100 degrees. HRB to the AGB. Like bro, they say we too active. NCA say we too smoky. Feel like Rico when I'm on the big back trying to put holes in the Kermit's tea. Tell her I close the Curtis G, cause we bring poles to light up the streets. He got done for the courtesy, stepping on them so certainly. Ain't on shit, they're constipated. We left his white tea burgundy. Outside picking and spinning the pew. I'm setting up shop like Burberry. Murder ones attempted murders, but me and the bros like 3rd degrees.
And then remember AG, you know what I'm saying? Don't they beef? No, it's just one side. No, it's just one side. We circle fifth, we circle once and circle twice, we circle first and circle 5. Yeah, it's the first and the fifth. That's what it is. Yeah. Sorry. I thought that was, Little Dotz being clever and rare, but his verse was nice though. His verse was nice. This was, and it just end. Not the end.
One's attempted murders, but me and the bros like 3rd degrees.
Wow. All right. I don't like this better than Redemption for like vibes and the beat and stuff, but in terms of smoke and bars, definitely smoky and barry. You know what I'm saying? If you wasn't thinking about living a life of crime before, you might start thinking about it after. Do you understand? So, I like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. And let me know why. Also, let me know what else you want to see me react to in the comments below. Hit the like button. Timestamp your favorite part in the song. Comment Trigonometry Gang. Comment For No Reason Gang. Comment Our World Family. Or just comment. Just a comment. Hit the like button. Go over to the music channel. Check out my new single, Don't Give Up. It's on all streaming platforms everywhere you get music. Follow me on Instagram, KOGENCYY. And on TikTok. Yeah. Kogency and I'm peace.
Give me what we need to survive, so don't give up. Try and live up, them can't stop you now. Judge, I love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you now. Don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now. Judge, I love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do.